we're going to sort of tempo down anyway because we're only hygiating up here. This thing is stuck to me back. You know the Charlie.
You do with the humidity.
We we sew it down anyway and sing a song which you all know very, very well. Written by a man called Tommy Macon. And I think it's one of the nicest songs he ever put to paper. It's a lovely song called Four Green Fields, right? So
fair play.
We'll see what happens anyway after this. What did I have satisfied the woman? What did I have this proud old woman say? I had four green fields, each one was a jewel, but strangers they came and tried to take them from me. I had five strong sons. They fought to save my jewels. They fought and they died. And that was my grief, said she. Long time ago, satisfied the woman. Long time ago, this proud old woman would say there was war. Tried to take them from me.
about that? Didn't I tell you beforehand?